What's up, people? It's Matthew here with By Grace Lawn Service. Today we have, it's nuts. We have some pressure washing to do. Me and old Mr. Buddy. Mr. Buddy gets to stay in the air conditioner. Hey, got Bugger. Hey, Beady. That good boy. That's a good old boy, Bugger. Got pee-pee. Go pee-pee. Come on. And we are pressure washing. I've already completed inside of here. It's a nice little home. What do you think, Mr. Buddy? Is it good, boy? Is it good? That's a good boy or what? Good boy. And now we're on the outside. Mr. Buddy, what do you think, man? I did good, boy, or what? And we are using a Ryobi 160, 3000 PSI with a 15-inch surface cleaner. And it makes life a lot easier. By Grace Lawn Service. Call me, 225-397-1469. Thanks.